It's 2021, and Disney now owns most of the world. And so that means lots of news is Disney news. So there's lots of cool stuff coming out that's Disney related. And I think we should take a look at it and talk about it, because some of it's kind of about character looks. And I want to explore and show you some really cool stuff that Disney's doing. Tell you what, I can... All your worst nightmares came true, Kenny! We're keeping that in. Let's take a look at some cool stuff, starting with Cruella.
I'm just getting started, darling.
I told you, it's gonna fall over. There you go.
Born fast. And a little bit mad.
Emily Clark from Stealing Focus on YouTube tweeted this incredible, just incredible. Disney will never get over the fact that they don't own the rights to Wicked. That's right, because this all started with Wicked, where we just started to justify all of our evildoers and trying to... what does this say about us? What are we doing?
What do you think about Emma Stone in general?
I love Emma Stone. She's a treasured little, lovely person. And I say little because I am a gigantic man, so everyone's little to me. Let's watch this trailer. You want me to leave it like this? You want theater mode?
Yeah, full screen.
Or should we go full screen and use the full capabilities of YouTube?
Do it.
YouTube, put me in rewind or something. Come on, man. You see how good I just sold your 3 different viewing techniques on the desktop?
From the very beginning, I realized I saw
Nothing
the world differently from
says
everyone else.
to an audience, this woman is artistic and she has a vision she needs to tell the world, like introducing her in a beret. And if you thought one Emma was going to tickle your fancy, just wait until you see there's 2 Emmas in this. Maybe there's going to be like a spin-off Disney Emma show where Belle, Cruella, and Cruella's Devils Wear Prada's mom, whatever we're going to find out about this woman, I'm sure it's something. all the Emmas, Disney's Emmas. This is Disney Channel original movies, Joker Wears Prada, Halloween Town. And she's an alcoholic. So we can't smoke in movies anymore, right? Cruella de Vil smoked so much in the movies that when she appears later on ABC's Once Upon a Time Where Fairy Tales Go to Die, she's not depicted maintaining cigarettes in any way, shape, or form, and yet she can cigarette blast dogs, which aren't Dalmatians. We're watching we can't. Disney, what are you doing with this character? What's going on? Oh! I get it now.
That I'd be a psycho.
Is Joaquin Phoenix going to be in this too? There's kind of a reverse wedding kind of purity thing going on here. You know what I mean? She's walking in beautiful and pure and white. And she's going to light herself on fire.
And I was ready to make a statement.
Do you think the dogs are going to talk in this one? They talked in the Glenn Close one.
Did they?
Did they? No, they didn't. They talked in the original movie. And these dogs aren't real. So...
Those are computer dogs.
Yeah, these dogs aren't real.
You know what? There's a lot of computer stuff that people don't even realize anymore. Those chairs are probably computers. The dish with the fruit in it, I bet you that whole shot's computer. There's not a single real thing in there.
No.
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's not real fruit. That's computer fruit.
Those I don't think that's fruit, bro. I think those are olives.
Olives? Yeah. Computer olives.
That's a melon up there. That's a strawberry.
Yeah,
for sure.
that's a computer something.
What do you think? Oh, these are probably pearled onions. Why do rich people eat the weirdest stuff? Jeez. Look at this woman. Because it's supposed to be a mask, right?
No, it's...
Yeah, it is, dude.
Face.
Look. No, but look.
Oh,
everyone's wearing a mask.
Her mask is her eyebrows thing?
Yeah, her mask is not a mask. And this is the problem with movies about fashion. Actually, it's not the problem. It's what here's the thing. I secretly love this. All right. This is why I love costumes. Because that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is the one about,
The same girl.
the imagery they're just invoking here. It's the Disney Channel original movie, Joaquin Phoenix Joker originals origin story telling of a very realistic and relentlessly cruel villain. And so how do we justify that? She just has to be outcast from society, right? Because that's what's terrifying about Cruella. She's just relentless. She doesn't have magic. She doesn't have, like, you know, potions and stuff. She's just relentless. And that's terrifying in a way.
I was born brilliant. Born fast.
Coming soon to Disney's California Adventure, the Cruella dance party experience. No way this scene wasn't entirely made. God, Disney's so smart.
I'm Cruella.
Emma Stone's great. She could just let loose. You know what I mean? She can have fun with stuff, and that's what's going to be fun about this. So if you go in here expecting anything to be like, you know, do you think that they're trying to be Martin Scorsese Joker stuff? Do you think they're trying? Or do they know that are they self-aware at how ridiculous they are? Do you think? Some of you are going to watch this and go to Hot Topic and buy a coat that matches it. You know, and Hot Topic's where sad people shop. So I get it, I guess. So what'd you guys think of the trailer? It's going to be interesting to see what happens. I liked Maleficent. It was good. Alice in Wonderland was fun. And it'll be fun to see what happens.
Committing way too much.
Does this club work better? I just want to let you guys know that over on the Foolish Mortals podcast YouTube channel, I am doing a podcast with my good buddy Dylan from Offhand Disney, and we're talking everything about the Haunted Mansion with all of my silliness and all of his silliness together. We silly combined. Foolish Mortals, iTunes, Spotify, YouTube. Check it out. Also want to do a quick shout out to my good friends Liquid Death, The Water in a Can. Look at this costume. What? High fashion. It's time to get super excited about the 50th anniversary at Walt Disney World from afar, because none of us are going. But on October 1st, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse and the castle are going to get a fresh new look, and Disney teased that look and gave us a little bit of a peek to start with these close-up pictures of this dapper little bow tie and this cute little 50th anniversary pin and Minnie's adorable little gold bow. Take a look at this. How cool is that? I'm really loving this whole blue, purple, pink, gold color scheme that Disney's been using in Magic Happens, and now we're kind of seeing that same palette being used over here in Disney World for the 50th anniversary. But man, these costumes look really cool, and they're gonna throw some new, golden toilet paper on the castle, and that's super cool. So I'm looking forward to seeing all the awesome stuff they do for the 50th anniversary. And this was originally planned for the 50th anniversary, if I heard the buzzings correctly, and I use an adjective there very specifically while I talk about the new Woody costume that dropped in Hong Kong Disneyland. Take a look at that. That nice headline there, courtesy of Blog Mickey. And I'm super excited about this because recently we got Bo Peep going from Bo Peepy So Creepy into this, relatively decent, tight, like almost like a Power Ranger helmet type head sculpt. And I'm super stoked that they're applying that design aesthetic to Woody. And just as I was finished shooting this video, I stumbled across an image of an updated Buzz and Jessie over at Hong Kong Disneyland 2. It's great to see all of these characters getting a fresh update like this. Is he a human man?
I don't know if he's a human man, but he is.
Is Buzz Lightyear from Earth?
He's a humanoid.
Right. The costume is gorgeous on these things. And, I don't know. Do you guys maybe want to see an evolution of Woody and Buzz? Let me know in the comments. Well, that's some of the new hot looks that Disney's been releasing lately for all that press stuff they've got going on. I love talking about new costumes and new characters and stuff that Disney's been featuring. So if you want me to, deep dive into those characters a little bit more in the future, let me know in the comments. Let me know on social media, Facebook, Patreon, Instagram, Twitter. I'm available at all those places to chat with you and hear about what you guys want me to do. It's just a little experiment. just being a little bit silly with this video, just a little bit of an experiment. Let me know what you think. This isn't a react video. This is Dan Observes. I work for the BBC, and I'm doing a nature documentary on Disney pop culture. God, that sounds boring. Hopefully this wasn't that. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, you rock.